Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Figma education plan. First, define your learning objectives clearly, whether you aim for basic proficiency or advanced mastery. Next, explore Figma's extensive free resources, including their official tutorials and community files, which offer a solid foundation. Then, consider dedicating at least 1 hour daily to hands-on practice, focusing on core tools and workflows. This structured approach will help you build a strong skill set efficiently and effectively. To build a strong foundation, focus on mastering Figma's core functionalities. Begin with frames, shapes, and text tools, understanding their properties and applications. Next, delve into components and styles, which are crucial for maintaining consistency and speeding up your design process significantly. Practice creating reusable elements and applying global styles. Finally, dedicate time to interactive prototyping, connecting screens, and adding animations to bring your designs to life with realistic user flows. Once you grasp the basics, elevate your skills with advanced Figma features. Dive into auto layout to create responsive designs that adapt seamlessly across different screen sizes. Explore variants to manage multiple states of components efficiently, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, integrate useful plugins from the community to extend Figma's capabilities. Practice real-time collaboration by sharing files, leaving comments, and working simultaneously with others, simulating a professional design environment for effective teamwork. Continuous learning is key to staying proficient in Figma. Regularly explore new features and updates released by Figma and engage with the vibrant design community to discover emerging trends and best practices. Apply your acquired knowledge to personal projects, tackling design challenges that push your boundaries. Most importantly, curate a compelling portfolio that showcases your best Figma work, demonstrating your design process and problem-solving abilities to potential employers or clients effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.